Hey, what's up guys? Eric Rogers here. Welcome back to the kitchen. It's really good to have you here. Today we're gonna be making one of my Christmas favorites, candied almonds. We've already got the oven preheated at 300 degrees, so let's get on into the ingredients and see what we're gonna need. So in a large mixing bowl, we're gonna need 2 egg whites. We have 2 pounds of almonds. We have a tablespoon and a half of cinnamon. We have 1 cup of Splenda, and then we have our baking sheet with parchment paper. So first, you want to whisk the 2 egg whites for 30 seconds. And we're going to speed this up for video's sake. So next, you're going to add in the almonds. We're going to stir these around until they're all coated nice and evenly. So now that the almonds are covered in the egg wash, what we want to do is we want to mix the cinnamon in with the Splenda. We're just gonna stir it until they're just evened out. Next, we wanna add just a little bit of the cinnamon and Splenda mixture. Just cover over the top, just a little bit. And let's go ahead and let's mix these up. So what you're gonna do from here is you're going to mix until they're nice and evenly coated. And then you'll add in a little bit more of the cinnamon Splenda mixture until it's coated again. And repeat until you have nothing left. So now that we have the almonds nice and covered, what we want to do is we're going to add these to the baking sheet. And then once we get them on here, we're just going to spread them out so they're nice and evened out. So now that we got them spread out, it's time to get these into the oven, and I'll see you when we return. So the almonds have been baking for about 15 to 20 minutes, so it's time to go ahead and pull these out. So now that we have the almonds out of the oven, we definitely want to let these cool down. Now from here, I would let them cool down just a little bit, and I would go ahead and move them from parchment paper to possibly a bigger bowl to let them continue cooling down. Just because there is a possibility that these could stick just a little bit if they cool down too much to the parchment paper. So there you have it, the candied almond recipe. This is a super easy and fun recipe to make with friends and family. You can also bag these up and give them away at Christmas time as little gifts or even stocking stuffers. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. Better yet, I hope that you enjoy this recipe. In the comment section below, let me know if you've given this recipe a try, and if you haven't yet, you can always stop by and say hello. A big favor, share this with your friends, tag your friends down in the comment section, share it to your stories, I'd really appreciate it. But before I go, I wanted to say thank you for watching this video, and like always, be sure to keep it real, keep it honest, and God bless. Take care.